So yeah, and I'm sure Charlie wanted a part 2.
Heck yeah, I did. I already got all my ingredients ready.
Oh, okay, I don't see anything.
Just because you don't see it, don't mean it ain't here.
Oh, and by the way, guys, last time Charlie did it, he instructed me both times, but this time we're gonna be having 2 rounds. And the first round, he's gonna be instructing me, and then the second round, I'm gonna be instructing him. So let's just get straight on into the video, yo.
All right, now you need to get the heck out of here so they can come over here, so I can write down what I'm gonna do, and then you can come and do what I write down, so you can do, and go take a little do. Charlie's specialty slime. And we gotta draw a funny face. All right, Charlie's specialty slime by Charlie. That's Charlie, that's not slime. All right. Ameerah! Alrighty, now that Ameerah is back, you're gonna start making my slime. Here's the box.
Alright.
Here are the ingredients.
What the heck?
And let's start.
Alright.
Today you're gonna be making Charlie's specialty slime, eh? Number A, pour a 1/4 gallon of glue into a shoebox. Okay. Yeah, I love my 1/4 gallons. You know I like my quarters. I like 1/4 gallon.
Is that good?
No, you need more. Yeah, like that. That's good. That's good right there. Stop! Alright, number B, spray yourself for 10 seconds with Febreze. Let me just get out of here.
Do I just like spray it here?
Yeah, just spray it in your general direction.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, that smells good, but it's really strong. Oh, I'm out of here. Oh my gosh, you stink so much. You put too much Febreze. Alright, number C, tape your hands together with the blue duct tape. Alright.
How am I supposed to?
I don't know, but you gotta do it yourself. As long as they stick together. Alright! Number D! You gotta fart some glow-in-the-dark powder into the glue.
I gotta fart it?
Yeah, you gotta fart it into the glue.
Alright, I have a...
Yeah, you gotta powder it. No, that's not a fart, Ameerah!
I'm sorry! I require scissors.
I require you to not have scissors. Right, let me see. Yeah, use your teeth! Use your glove.
2 hours later.
There you go.
Alright, thank you. Okay.
Cochina! Jesus! Woochie! Alright, you got that fart in there? Alright.
Yeah.
Now, for letter E, you gotta add 3 flown balls into the glue.
Flown balls?
Yeah, flown balls.
Okay. Is that what's supposed to be a flown ball?
Excellent. Now that you added the flown balls, you gotta, for letter F, you gotta get a cup of water and ice. Yeah, we're doing that again. Alright, yeah, that's gonna be for me, thank you. Alright! For letter G, you're gonna add 2 large wiggly eyes and 1 small wiggly eye.
Okay. Alright, so is this you said big or normal?
2 big eyes.
2 big eyes, alright.
And 1 small eye.
1 small eye.
The size of my nostril. Alright, now that you've added the wiggly eyes into the wiggly slime.
Alright.
We're gonna do, you're gonna have to, for letter H, add a sneasel weasel of pony beads. But that's already open. Don't you have fingernails? Use your toenails, for God's sake. You're so cringy, Ameerah. I just want to let you know that you're really cringy. Worst sister ever.
Alright, I did it. Alright.
Now you gotta add a sneasel weasel into the slime. Anyways, for letter I, you gotta sprinkle mermaid scales into the glue.
Ooh, Jamal's gonna be mad, but whatever.
Oh, she's gonna be mad if you use that?
Yeah.
Then put the whole thing in there.
No.
Yes.
I'm gonna get mad too.
Then put half of it in there. More. Alright, for number J, you gotta add a lima bean in a giant fluffy ball.
Okay.
Yeah. This is to get that good texture.
There we go.
Alrighty.
I'm gonna have to tape my hands together.
Now for letter K, you gotta make a shaving cream stash. Yes. Perfect. It's beautiful. Oh, it's fucking beautiful. As I ever seen.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's a good one. For number L, you gotta mix all of the ingredients with a Barbie.
Okay, got it. Yeah, that's exactly what I thought it was for.
Alright, are you ready? For letter F, you're gonna add boobacks as needed.
Okay, so this time it's not just 2 squirts.
Yeah, I learned.
Okay, well, I gotta hurry this up because the shaving cream is burning my lips.
Did I say to mix with the Barbie? Remember, you gotta follow these instructions exactly, word for word, letter for letter, space for space.
You know what? I'm not even mad because...
Number N! Remove the duct tape and knead.
Oh my God.
Now we'll just wait for her to need date.
Alright, well, I'm doing my slime.
Alright, so for number O, you gotta light a firework and blow bubbles with the straw.
Light a firework
Uh-huh.
and blow bubbles with straw. Where's the lighter?
Lighter is right here.
Can we just get a normal lighter for once or not? Okay, so just put the firework right here or like right there or what?
Here you go. Blow bubbles, quickly, blow bubbles.
Go!
Blow the bubbles. Blow bubbles, hurry. Go, 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 blow bubbles. Yeah, blow them, blow them, blow them.
Oh God.
Blow bubbles, come on.
It's
blow bubbles.
freaking exploding up!
No, that's okay, it's okay. Blow bubbles. Come on, right there. Ah, you suck. Ah, she sucks. She didn't blow bubbles.
I couldn't, it's too thick, Charlie.
Well, now it doesn't matter because there's no firework. Like a nice little toasty marshmallow.
Alright, let's do some ASMR now. Get this off my counter because I don't want it to burn it.
Excuse me, you didn't do my last step.
Oh, I'm sorry, what is
Step letter number P.
Jesus.
Cook Charlie a 5-course meal.
I could just bring you a tub of ice cream. Is that good?
Yes. Oh, why, thank you, Ameerah. You're such a kind sister.
It's a little overactivated.
Nice slime.
Oh, I forgot that you don't care about that. Alright, well that's it for my ASMR. Can't really do anything or I'll break my fingers.
Oh, yeah. FBI say time.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yes! Yes! You did it!
So time for the next round. This time I'm going to be instructing Charlie what to do so Charlie can get the snickerdoodles out of here. Alrighty, so we're going to do cream cheese slime. Alright, Charlie can come over here now.
No!
Okay, never mind then. Take your time, sweetie. Alright, Charlie, I'm gonna need the glasses now. Oh God, are you okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Is it gonna stay like this?
Yeah, it's okay. I can work like this.
Alright, so first you're gonna get a box.
Got one.
Now get the fork.
Got one.
Make sure to bite on the fork. No, like you bit on the plastic ones every single time, Charlie.
There.
He broke the...
And the next step is?
Number 4, get Ameerah a bowl of ice cream.
Here you go.
Guess I wasn't specific enough. He won this time. Number 5, stir the slime like a T-Rex.
There's no slime.
This is like a T-Rex. Alright, now stir slime. Alright, this is going good so far, right, Charlie? While stirring, add glue and shaving. Add a handful of glue. You're not a dog, you're a T-Rex. Add a handful of slime. Glue. I said a handful. Put it in your hand and you put it in the box.
Let me read that. Add a handful of glue. No, you said add a handful. That's a handful. You didn't tell me to put it in my hand. And we're following exact directions.
Whatever, Charlie. And a chinful of hearing cream. You have to put it on your chin. That's not all of your chin. That's just like the middle.
That's a chinful.
That's the middle of your chin. You have to get it to right here and right here.
But it's gonna fall off.
You have to put it right here, Charlie.
Okay.
There we go. That's a chinful, all right. I said while stirring, you're supposed to do that.
Oh, okay.
Okay, stop stirring.
Okay.
Add a buttload of cornstarch. All right. Then take off the cornstarch and put it back inside the cup. Or just take it out. All right, now you are going to mix it again.
All right.
Add works teaspoon by teaspoon.
You don't have a teaspoon? How many teaspoons? Looks about right. Ameerah!
Yeah?
You know this is actually how I make slime daily in my room.
What?
Nothing rude about this.
Alright, well I couldn't find the teaspoon, so.
I already added it.
That's not a T-Rex! You have to roar. Now, add a spit of paint.
A spit of paint?
This is a 9.5.
Alright, get that out of here. Dab.
Try.
Alright, what's next?
Alright, now you're gonna spin around for 30 seconds. Alright, now you're gonna do some real ASMR, Charlie.
Ew!
Real ASMR. Oh, would you look at that? You like that, Charlie?
No.
You like doing real ASMR, Charlie? Oh, God. Oh! Oh! Charlie! Oh!
I don't like this, it feels weird.
You're not even doing ASMR, you just can't. Oh. God, it sounds like a T-Rex right now. It sounds like an actual T-Rex.
I don't like it. I'm done.
You're done? Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to comment down below if you want a part 3 to it, if you want a part 3 and who you want to make the instructions. And I'm gonna props to Charlie because I was horrible at making the instructions. He was very detailed on them. And apparently he made Charlie do ASMR, real ASMR. He gets very sad, so make sure not to do that. And yeah.